Good morning, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project, Magnetic Reversal News, and Shinrin-yoku with a space weather news update Monday, March 28th at noontime, Mountain Time. Just a few hours ago, an M4.0 solar flare with associated coronal mass ejection ejected from the sun, directly Earth facing. This is one of the largest solar flares directly Earth facing that we have seen. And this is coming from a new active region. Boom, right there. That's active region 2975. So we're going to roll this through for you. You can see the coronal hole that just passed by brought us up into geomagnetic instability. And then we have this area becoming quite active. Watch it. Boom! M4.0. And there is the flare, short duration, but there is more activity happening now, getting up into high sea level currently. So we're keeping a close eye on this region. Now, we've checked all the telemetry, and so far the only model up is the ISWA Signet streamer here. And that's going to be showing us impact right about the 1st, 31st to the 1st. So that's when we're looking at impact from this coronal mass ejection. More data will be coming out. I tried to load the SOHO C2 and C3 movies, but they are currently blocking us. They download, but with errors because they don't want us to see it. But they did sneak in a little flash here. See that flash? And that is the CME, which appears to be a halo flash. So probably tomorrow we'll get the unscrubbed data once they all get to look at it. But once again, we have a large M flare, M4.0, Earth directed, kicking off just about 12 hours ago. And according to the ISWA solar wind prediction, it will be arriving on the 31st. And it will affect us April 1st. So we're going to keep a close eye on telemetry. Remember, Earth is yellow, and it's showing the white plasma density hitting us. And that's quite significant. We could see moderate geomagnetic storm with KP6, maybe KP7 with this outburst. But it's important to have these tests to figure out just how weak our magnetosphere is. So we've had a large solar flare from active region 2975, which is turning Earth facing directly here. You can see some activity from this entire region. 2 sunspot regions, and this filament over here is fantastic. But here's where the M4.0 hit comes directly Earth facing there. And that is headed, well, it's headed towards us. Just a few days. Hope you got something out of the video. Proper prior planning prevents piss poor performance. As the sun ramps up to solar max in just the next 2 years, the probability of an X flare of large magnitude coming directly at us, well, that is ever increasing every day. And we're going to be doing some videos on that topic and as they relate to the plasma in the sky. So stay tuned for that. And that's a boom to knowledge. Proper prior planning prevents piss poor performance. The M4.0 coronal mass ejection should be arriving on the 31st. And as more data comes in, we will keep you informed. Be safe. We love you. Subscribe, share, and comment.